welcome to the Greener Bodyshop Awards 2025. It's our annual event where we've saw over 400 people in the room from the body shop industry, from suppliers, accident repair centres, accident repair groups, and we've brought together the best of the best to celebrate sustainability and greener initiatives. As well as raising money for a local charity, Vision for All, we're dancing the night away with a fantastic band, Detroit Soul.
Ladies and gentlemen, the warmest of welcomes to this historic moment. Greener Bodyshop Awards State Banquet Thingy 2025. Give yourselves a massive round of applause for pitching up here tonight.
Great event, just been able to speak with everyone, get to meet people that I've met before, but also meet some new faces.
Really great evening, really well organised, great venue, lots and lots and lots to celebrate this evening.
First time here tonight at the Greener Bodyshop Awards. What an amazing night. I've been to a few other events and I've got to say this is by far the best event.
I'm Charlotte and I'm from Vision for All. I help children across the community find out what they want to do in life and help them with any obstacles that they come across. Try and sort of navigate children through life to make the right choices and not follow sort of bad habits and bad patterns.
Great to see all the suppliers here, see so many people, and the scale of this event from when we were at Safari Park a few years ago. Brilliant to see.
It's very important for the industry to save carbon. You save carbon, you save costs as well. It's been a lot of hard work from a lot of people in AGM services, so it's wonderful to be recognised for that. With Area Standard as well, we all work together to save a lot of money and save a lot of carbon.
It's good to see local repairers win great awards, and it's just that great family feeling, and it's a nice event. It's a great event. Maybe I've overdone it with a great event bit, so if you just edit that bit and just rewind it and say, I feel privileged to be here tonight. People get recognised for who they are.
Friday Bodyshop Award, wow, it's amazing. We're massive advocates of work experience and apprenticeships, and maybe that's why we're here today.
I like meeting up with all the friends and colleagues that I've made in the industry over the years, spending time with them in an informal area and just having a laugh. And a dance.
I'm about to go to the dance floor to cut it up. We didn't win any awards, but I'm here for the vibes.